Welcome to Karachi, y'all. We're about to dive into a city that's more than just concrete and chaos. It's a city where the Arabian Sea crashes against ancient shores, where the scent of spices hangs in the air, and where, believe it or not, nature finds a way to thrive. We're talking about a city that's home to over 20 million people, a melting pot of cultures, languages, and yes, even landscapes. You think you know Karachi? Think again. We're about to take you on a journey beyond the headlines, beyond the stereotypes, to uncover the hidden oasis within this bustling metropolis. Get ready to explore the beaches, the parks, the hidden green spaces that make Karachi a city that truly pulses with life. Let's go. All right, folks, let's talk beaches. Karachi's coastline is legendary. Stretching along the Arabian Sea, this vibrant city offers a diverse range of coastal experiences that cater to every kind of beach lover. Whether you're looking for a bustling beach scene or a tranquil escape, Karachi has it all. We're talking miles of golden sand, turquoise waters, and a sea breeze that could rival any Mediterranean resort. First up, Clifton Beach. This iconic beach is not just a place, it's an experience. This is where Karachi comes to play. Families, friends, and tourists flock here to soak up the sun and enjoy the lively atmosphere. The beach is always buzzing with activity, making it a perfect spot for people watching and socializing. Food stalls, camel rides, the works. You can indulge in local delicacies from the numerous food stalls that line the beach, or take a leisurely camel ride along the shore. The vibrant vendors add to the charm, offering everything from souvenirs to snacks. It's chaotic, it's crowded, it's Karachi at its finest. The energy here is infectious, and it's a place where you can truly feel the pulse of the city. But if you're looking for something a little more chill, head east to Hawke's Bay Beach. This serene spot offers a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of Clifton Beach. This stretch of coastline is known for its calm waters and stunning sunsets. It's the perfect place to unwind and watch the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. And for the adventurers out there, check out Sandspit Beach. This beach is a haven for thrill seekers and water sports enthusiasts. It's a haven for windsurfers, kiteboarders, and anyone who loves to feel the wind in their hair. The strong winds and waves make it an ideal spot for these exhilarating activities. But Karachi's coast isn't just about beaches. There's a whole other side to it that many people overlook. Oh, no, we've got mangroves too. These unique coastal forests are an essential part of Karachi's natural landscape. These incredible forests act as natural barriers against erosion and provide a vital habitat for all sorts of marine life. The mangroves are not just beautiful, they are crucial for the health of our coastal ecosystem. We're talking about a delicate ecosystem here, folks. The mangroves support a diverse range of species, from fish to birds and even small mammals. It's up to us to protect these natural wonders for generations to come. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these ecosystems remain intact and continue to thrive. So next time you visit Karachi's coast, take a moment to appreciate not just the beaches, but the incredible natural beauty that surrounds them. Okay, let's be real. Karachi's summers can be brutal. We're talking scorching heat, the kind that makes you want to stay indoors and crank up the AC. But hey, that's what the cooler months are for. From November to February, Karachi transforms into a city of pleasant breezes, sunny skies, and outdoor adventures. And then there's the monsoon season. Now I know what you're thinking, rain in the desert. But trust me, when those monsoon clouds roll in, it's a sight to behold. The city comes alive with the sound of thunder, the smell of wet earth, and the sight of streets transformed into temporary rivers. It's a reminder that even in the driest of places, nature always finds a way. So whether you're a sun worshipper or a storm chaser, Karachi's got a season for you. Just be sure to pack accordingly. Chapter 3. Karachi's green escapes parks, zoos, and national treasures. Now, you might be thinking parks in a city like Karachi, a bustling metropolis known for its traffic, noise, and endless urban sprawl, but that's the thing about this place, it's full of surprises. Amidst the concrete jungle, you'll find pockets of green that offer a refreshing escape. Take Bagh-e-Jinnah, for example. This sprawling park is like a green oasis right in the heart of the city. It's a place where you can breathe in the fresh air and forget, even if just for a moment, that you're in one of the world's largest cities. You've got families picnicking, kids playing cricket, couples strolling hand in hand. It's a microcosm of the city's diverse population, all coming together to enjoy a slice of nature. It's the perfect escape from the urban hustle. Whether you're looking to relax with a book under a tree or take a leisurely walk, Bagh-e-Jinnah offers a serene environment that contrasts sharply with the city's frenetic pace. Then there's Hill Park, perched atop a hill. offering panoramic views of the city. It's not just a park, it's a vantage point where you can see Karachi in all its sprawling glory. It's a popular spot for joggers, hikers, and anyone who wants to burn off some of that biryani they just devoured. The park's trails and open spaces make it an ideal location for outdoor activities. And let's not forget about the Karachi Zoo. Established in 1878, it's one of the oldest zoos in the region and has a rich history. Sure, it might not be the fanciest zoo in the world, but it's home to a diverse range of animals, many of them rescued or endangered. From majestic lions to playful monkeys, the zoo offers a glimpse into the animal kingdom. But the real adventure begins when you venture outside the city limits to Quaid-e-Azam National Park. Spanning over 3,000 square kilometers, it's one of Pakistan's largest protected areas. This vast wilderness is a treasure trove of biodiversity, with rugged mountains, hidden canyons, and a surprising array of wildlife. It's a place where nature reigns supreme, far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. We're talking leopards, wild goats, and more bird species than you can shake a stick at. The park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and offers countless opportunities for exploration and discovery. It's a reminder that even in the shadow of a mega city, nature finds a way to thrive. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Karachi's parks, zoos, and national treasures offer a unique blend of urban and natural experiences that are sure to leave a lasting impression. Chapter 4. Karachi's cultural tapestry, a fusion of flavors and traditions. Karachi isn't just a city, it's a melting pot of cultures, a tapestry woven from threads of tradition, language, and, of course, food. Walk through the bustling bazaars and you'll hear a symphony of languages from Punjabi to Pashto, Sindhi to Urdu. It's a city where East meets West, where ancient traditions collide with modern trends. And the food? Oh, the food. Karachi's culinary scene is a delicious adventure waiting to be explored. From spicy street food to elaborate feasts, there's something to tantalize every taste bud. But Karachi's cultural richness goes beyond its cuisine. It's a city of festivals, of celebrations, of a people who know how to embrace life in all its vibrant chaos. So come hungry, come curious, and come ready to experience a city that's as diverse as it is dynamic. Chapter 5. Green Karachi. A city striving for sustainability. Now let's talk about the future. Karachi faces its share of challenges, from pollution to overpopulation. The city, with its sprawling urban landscape, is home to millions of people, each contributing to the vibrant yet chaotic life that defines Karachi. The rapid urbanization has led to significant environmental issues, including air and water pollution, waste management problems, and the loss of green spaces. These challenges are daunting, but they also present an opportunity for transformation. But amidst the chaos, there's a growing movement for change. Citizens from all walks of life are coming together, united by a common goal: to make Karachi a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable city. This movement is not just about addressing the symptoms of environmental degradation, but tackling the root causes. It's about fostering a culture of sustainability and environmental stewardship. We're talking about the Green Karachi Initiative, a citywide effort to make Karachi a more sustainable and livable city. This initiative encompasses a wide range of activities and projects, all aimed at improving the environmental health of the city. From educational programs in schools to community workshops, the Green Karachi Initiative is spreading awareness and encouraging action at every level of society. From planting trees to promoting renewable energy, the initiative is making a tangible impact. Tree planting drives are helping to restore green cover, which is crucial for improving air quality and providing shade in the hot climate. Meanwhile, the promotion of renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, is reducing the city's reliance on fossil fuels and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. From cleaning up beaches to protecting mangrove forests, the efforts are diverse and far-reaching. Beach cleanup drives are not only removing litter, but also raising awareness about the importance of keeping our natural habitats clean. Mangrove forests, which are vital for coastal protection and biodiversity, are being safeguarded through conservation projects. Karachi is taking steps towards a greener future. The creation and maintenance of green spaces within the city are providing much-needed recreational areas for residents and helping to combat the urban heat island effect. These green spaces are also serving as hubs for community activities and environmental education. It's a long and challenging journey, but the people of Karachi are resilient. They're coming together to support one another and to work towards a common goal. This sense of community and shared purpose is driving the city's transformation. It's about building a sustainable future that benefits everyone. They know that change starts with each individual, with each small action. Every tree planted, every piece of trash picked up, and every effort to reduce energy consumption contributes to the larger goal. It's about creating a ripple effect, where small actions lead to significant changes over time. So, whether it's reducing your carbon footprint or simply picking up after yourself at the beach, every little bit helps. Using reusable bags, reducing plastic use, and participating in local cleanup drives are all ways individuals can make a difference. It's about making sustainable choices in our daily lives, because Karachi isn't just a city, it's a testament to the power of human spirit, a vibrant mosaic of cultures, traditions, and aspirations. It's a place where people from diverse backgrounds come together, united by their love for their city and their desire to see it thrive. This collective spirit is what makes Karachi unique, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, hope always finds a way. The journey towards sustainability is not easy, but with determination and collective effort, Karachi is proving that it is possible. The city is not just striving for sustainability, it is embodying the very essence of resilience and hope. So there you have it, folks. Karachi, a city of contrasts, a city of challenges, but most importantly, a city of hope. We've explored its stunning coastline, its hidden green spaces, its vibrant culture, and its commitment to a sustainable future. Karachi is a city that will surprise you, challenge you, and ultimately leave you wanting more. Don't just take my word for it, come see for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Karachi. Despite its bustling urban life, the city offers serene landscapes and a rich cultural experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of beautiful cities around the world.